operated since 1988 with 6 Western Washington locations.
Hey friends, my triple bonus jack combo is back. Get triple the meat and cheese with my secret sauce, plus curly fries and a drink, all for just $5.99. Or you can make it a quad for $1 more. That's legitness for a limited time. Only at Jack in the Box. Full stack, limited time only. Price and participation may vary. Includes small drink and fries.
An extra person? Do you order food extra spicy? Do you believe in extraterrestrials? Then New Truly Extra is for you with 8% alcohol by volume for that extra refreshing kick. Be Truly Extra. Hard Seltzer Beverage Company, Boston, Mass.
For over 130 years, Bartell's Pharmacy has helped local families stay healthy and well, from bleary-eyed new parents to twinkly-eyed grandparents. And since having a trusted local pharmacy is more important than ever, we want you to know your Bartell's Pharmacy is here to stay. Whether it's for gentle vaccines or helpful advice on prescriptions, over-the-counter meds, or online refills,